A cloudy, rainy day in northwestern Ontario. Doing a little look for some mushrooms, some edibles. And we found this guy. That is a very nice, fresh, just popped up lobster mushroom. Very tasty. Now our forage day continues, and I found a patch of different names for them. We always called them kinnick berries. A little yellow yet. Let's see if I can find one that's riper. Almost like a little apple on the bottom. And they grow on these low bushes. You find them tucked underneath. There's a nice ripe one. And they have a white inside, like an apple. And they taste kind of like bubblegum. I mean, like a dry apple, bubblegum kind of a flavor. Usually I find them in with blueberries. There's a couple little blueberries. They make a nice little snack while you're picking. Try them if you find them, but as always, make sure they're not going to bother your stomach. Verify what they are. Don't want anybody getting sick out there. We're carrying on with our foraging trip. Found these wild raspberries. One of my favorite summertime treats. Look just like a tame one. Smaller, tasty, usually really sweet. Find them lots of times alongside of a road or gravel pit where the soil's been disturbed, actually. Nice and tasty. Oh, we found a decent blueberry patch. Some pretty good ones here.